can either go all the way up, or do you want to go around, maybe up? I don't know.
I don't know. Let's just have a nice, enjoyable hike.
And that is exactly what you guys are getting today. Just a nice little hike with Matt and I. We just had to get away from everything, you know?
Dude, yeah. Honestly, I haven't hiked this place for a while, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab my stuff. Let's fucking go. Michael.
What the fuck?
Yo, Mike. Mike?
Mike.
Oh shit, what up guys?
Why does this keep happening?
How's it going?
What are you doing, bud? Trying to make a fire?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
How have you guys been?
I mean, we've been good. Johnny's been good.
I haven't seen you in a while, Mike.
I had some things to deal with, so I became one with nature.
I see. Did you make that yourself?
I like to think I did, but it's now mine, so...
It's nice woodmanship.
Yeah, honestly. Damn.
This may have benefited you coming out here.
Yeah, I mean, I'd sit there and sleep there, honestly.
Very therapeutic.
Well,
Nice little place you got.
do you wanna hike with us, dude?
I know this like the back of my hand.
All right, guess we're following you.
You know, it kind of hurts me to admit that I kind of missed Michael, so I'm kind of glad that he's back, but... You know, it's the three amigos back. Let's get this hike going. Hopefully it's a good time. God, I hope it's a good time.
Say about you, Mike. I missed you as our camera guy.
How was Johnny? Oh, thanks, bro. How was Johnny? Where is he? I thought he'd be here.
Johnny's great.
Oh, Johnny's fantastic.
Johnny's a
man.
great
I
guy.
love that guy.
Is he?
Yeah, no, he's actually a fantastic kid.
He doesn't ever really pick up our calls, though.
No.
So, I don't know where he is.
What's up with us losing people? Like a cameraman. I don't
think
understand.
I think we're pretty enjoyable.
Yeah.
I think I'm a pretty even keel.
Well, no,
Dude.
you're getting off the chill here, bud. Oh, there you go. All right, make sure we're all together.
We got a nice little tight walkway here, don't we?
Yeah.
It's very tight.
Oh shit, we got a
Just
steep
remember,
hill
guys.
right here.
Oh my god. Okay, you guys ready for this shit?
You know, there was many mistakes that happens in this hiking trip, but this is probably the first and biggest mistake. I really hurt my fucking calves right there.
Very unwise decision on your part. Conserve your energy.
Jesus.
I tried telling you to conserve your energy.
Oh, look at that, man. Some water.
That's actually where I poop.
You pooping there.
That's
Did you make this own drain yourself?
If we're in a,
I like to think it's mine, but it's mine now.
this is a lifesaver right here.
My
This
poop
is-
and pee water?
Yeah.
Life-saving stuff. You don't even have to. You can just fill your water bottle up with that and drink it.
Or I could just pee and poo in your bottle.
Good.
What's up with you and fecal matter?
That's my toilet. That's what I'm saying.
What the one over
You've
here?
been living out here, haven't you?
I've been here for a while. This is where I've been the entire time.
Wow.
Which, oddly enough, Mother Nature has brought us together yet again.
I know, it's kind of weird, isn't it?
Every time I think I've seen you for the last time, I just like see you again.
Well, okay, we knew the last time was the last time. He just said they had to take a break because I don't know.
Don't worry. It's just my pet. One of my pets.
No, literally, like, I mean, Michael literally just kind of said that you needed to take a break for some stupid reason, so.
Yeah.
I don't know. I lost track of time and days. How long has it been?
About a week?
Damn, a week?
Yeah.
It's been about a whole minute.
Yeah.
Wow. I here in nature, it only felt like 1 hour.
Really? That's insane, dude.
Alrighty, let's see where Mother Nature takes us next.
Yo, welcome to MT Cribs. This is my house, yo.
Whoa. That's a crib.
Got a solid foundation right here. You know?
Whoa, is that pure concrete?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, honestly. So, whenever it's nighttime, you know, you just gotta put this shit up and shit. Yeah.
You lay in the fetal position inside of that hole and then cover yourself up with logs?
I did that and I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
You wouldn't want to live there. You might hear the screaming.
We know the trail system, right? Last time I went hiking, it didn't turn out well for me.
Don't worry, I'm fine. I got you.
You got me?
Yeah.
Okay.
you have any wise decisions like what we shouldn't do? Or
Split apart. Don't split apart.
okay.
Don't split up.
Don't waste energy.
Conserve
I don't waste
energy.
any energy.
Because nature's not going anywhere.
That is the wisest thing I've ever heard.
Honestly.
Nature opens your mind, and body.
Look at that. Look at this. The sun is shining on me today.
Dude, is it safe to have so many breaks, man? It's not even been 10 minutes.
I'm a little disappointed in you guys. A little.
I
Well,
thought
that's what happens when you're in modern day Mother Earth. She doesn't give any fucks. That's why this is perfect. Then you go to like a city nearby and it's just terrible.
You don't like the concrete forest?
No, it's terrible. It was ruining our planet. This is all we need. All these trees all around you are my children. In a span of, I guess, 1 week, I produced this forest. I crapped out that rock.
Holy
I'm
shit.
gonna go to the bathroom now.
You can go right there, just pull on your pants. We're all human beings in Mother Nature.
Yo, come on, man. Let's just give him some privacy, He's fine.
All right, be careful. Mother Nature can be very crafty.
Listen, I'm not sure exactly what the hell is going on with Mike, but he has been speaking some fucking wisdom. So, I mean, I guess he's trying to look out for us, or he's just trying to kidnap us, or I'm not sure.
Wait, Matt? Matt!
She's telling me, hold on. She's mad at me.
And with that, we have lost Matt. You know, it only took about fucking 15 minutes in the hike. Why? Like, are we just not capable enough to fucking go outside and do actual shit? Like, something always happens to us, but, you know, it's whatever. So, I mean, there's more to this. This fucking second part coming out next, possibly. Yeah, no, yeah.
Oh, shit, where'd Mike go? Shit, Mike? Dude, I'm so confused. This is not safe. This is not... I gotta get higher ground. Where are they? Oh, God, dude. Oh,